Always the good friend.
Uy, ganda na sombrero mo ah. Pinapin na nga! Akin na nga, baka nagiging ako eh. Friend? Best friend. Surprise!
Hoy, Angel! Hoy, nandito ka na pala. Tagal na natin yung nagkita.
Oo nga eh. Where's Kat?
Ganda no?
Angel! Kat! This is for you. Ala, salamat!
Hoy, Angel, hindi nagsusuot si Pachet na ganyan eh.
He's so different. I had my first global with him. Talaga? Wala ka dun? No, I didn't believe in it at first, but it's just like what Mom said. What's up, guys? Uy! Ivan! Si Angel o pinsan ko. Touch. It's him. Huh? Si Ivan? Yeah. The guy I had a slow with. Huh? Yeah. Hi, Angel. Hi. You're Ivan, right? It's nice to meet you. Hi, Angel. Hi. Nanay ka ba? Ha? Ano sinabi mo?
Napakalas maging nanay ng mga anak natin.
Para sa lang pala. Thank you. I like you too. Tayo na? Yeah. Uy, umiis ka na naman sa pinsan ko ah. Hindi. Ha? Kami na. Kayo na? Sige. Una na ako, may gagawin pa ako. Bye, Dad!
Can she become the person she's meant to be?
Patch? Ikaw ba yan? Hi, Ivan.
Ang ganda, no? Kayo ang magiging partner.
Can she dare believe?
Ivan? Ouch! Angel? Angel, magpapaliwanag ako! What are you gonna explain? That I'm stupid enough to say that you and Ivan have something more than just being best friends? Bakit ka ba nagagalit, Angel? Kasi akala mo inago ko sa'yo si Ivan? Mas una ko siyang naging best friend bago mo siya naging boyfriend. Yeah, you're right! Pero best friend ka lang! Oo, alam ko best friend lang ako.
When you're inspired to make the change, when you're ready to fall, it must be love.
Hi, Angela.